Welcome to the video explaining the Tracksolid Pro application. We will begin with the steps to log in to the program. First, we will enter the username, the serial number of the device found on the device's box, and the password is 6/8. The application will ask us to set a new password, where we will type the old password, 6/8, and then the password from we have chosen and confirm it. Then we will click on Done and then Confirm. We will click on Accept. The car will now appear to us on a Google map with its details, such as its status, stationary, or moving, the duration of its parking, the condition of the engine, running on or off, or if you drag the arrow to the top, it will show us the device's features, such as the tracking camera and the tracks, the previous routes and the geofence and others, which we will talk about in detail. First, the camera. We will click on it. Several options will appear at the top, the most important of which is the live option for direct video, which we will click on. Here the screen will be divided into two halves. The upper half will show a live video of the car, and the lower half will show the car in Google Maps. We will notice the presence of several icons. In the camera part, which is the audio icon to hear the sound inside the car or stop it, the camera icon to take a picture from the live video and save it, the microphone icon for voice speaking, then we will press it continuously and start speaking after the bar at the top turns green. And when we finish speaking, we will lift our finger from the video camera icon button. To record the current live video and save it, the bracket icon to watch the video at full screen size. To the left of the video, we will notice that there are two other signs. The camera icon with the toggle arrows. When you click on it, the shooting will switch from the front camera to the interior camera, or vice versa. The video icon with the clock. When you click on it, the daily recording bar will appear and you can watch it. The bar for the shaded parts to view the recordings in them. Finally, when you return to the main camera menu, there is both a recording icon and a camera icon. If you would like to record videos and save them in the camera list, where you will press the record button, choose the desired camera and the recording duration, and then confirm. After that, the recording will appear in the list. The same thing applies. On the photography button, knowing that you can share these videos or photos and delete them as well. This is all for the camera now. As for tracking through the tracking code and the track code, where the tracking code tracks the car directly and shows its tracks in addition to its speed and engine condition, knowing that you can share the live location by clicking here and choosing the participation period as well. As for the route icon, it shows you all the car's previous routes, where you can see its routes during today, yesterday, the current week, or last. As the moving time, the speed of the car, and even the stopping points will appear in the track, knowing that you can speed up or slow down. Tracking from here. We have finished the tracking section. Now we have the fence feature to set a geographical fence for the car. When we leave this fence, we will receive a direct alert on the mobile phone. To set up the fence, we will click on the fence icon, then the plus sign, and then specify both the fence area and the location of the fence. Finally, we will click Save. We have finished preparing the fence. Now the details. Through it, we can change the name of the device and view all other details of the device. The settings code, through which you can set different alerts by entering them, then activating them, and then saving the command code. Through it, you can set the sound strength of the camera, as this is the highest sound level, even if it is lower. We will choose a sound level and then click on Send the command. The sensitivity of the camera's reckless driving alerts, as this is more sensitive, if less sensitive, to reckless warnings. We will choose and then click on Send the command. The language of the automatic alert present in the car's camera. We will choose the Arabic language and then press on Send the command. Turn off the camera lights or turn them on. We will make a selection and then Send, and other commands that we will discuss later. At the top on the left, we will see three options. The first option is to switch to the satellite map. The second option is to show traffic on the roads. The third option is to access the camera section directly. Now we will view the rest of the sections. The application has a home page section which contains a monitoring map, a list section where you will see the devices you have, an alarm section through which you can activate your alerts by pressing this button at the top, then clicking on Select All, and then confirming the Me section. Through RT Setting, you can activate the alerts you want. By clicking here, you can enter and modify the password. Here we have reached the end of the explanation of the Tracksolid Pro application. We hope that you have benefited.